Today, I will show you Teant Mattress Vacuum review. Is it worth $100 for clean sleep? Teant is a mattress-specific vacuum cleaner that combines strong suction, HEPA filtration, UVC sanitizing light, and hot air or tapping functions, a design intended to pull dust, dust mite, debris, pet hair, dead skin cells, and other allergens out of deep mattress fibers. For people with allergies, pets, or sensitivities, or for households simply wanting a more thorough mattress clean than a standard vacuum, this deep cleaning promise can genuinely improve sleep hygiene and air quality. Many users report visible amounts of dust and debris extracted more than you expected, and noticeable reductions in allergens. The inclusion of UVC light is also meaningful. Such light, when properly used, can help sterilize dust mite, eggs, and bacteria lurking in mattresses, something a basic vacuum or just airing out the bed won't achieve. The hot air and tapping mechanisms further help dislodge deeply embedded debris from mattress fibers, key for truly deep cleaning rather than superficial vacuuming. That said, it's not perfect, because Teant is corded and somewhat heavier than a basic handheld vacuum. It can feel bulky, which may make regular use less convenient. And while its advertised features UVC, heat, HEPA, suction are good on paper, some reviewers caution that it doesn't always perform like a professional mattress deep cleaning service, especially if the mattress is old, heavily stained, or damp. Overall, Teant seems like a solid investment for households with pets, allergy sufferers, or those keen on deep mattress hygiene. It's likely worth the $100 for those who will use it regularly. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.